Lauren, and today we're gonna do strawberry nails. I know it looks a little bit funny, don't make fun. I just came up with this weird style anyway. Also, I got this from I will look. Yeah, and it was very nice. Look, it's like apparently it's real pearls. And anyway, I also got this. Okay, let's just get straight into it. So all we need is also, yeah, I forgot to say, welcome to Jane's Play World. So we need just 4 items technically, 3 colors, 1 green. As you can see, I chose this one. I don't know what's the color. It's called, oh wait, it's 111, the number code is, and it's note, I don't know. This for the, yeah, for the strawberry, for this part. And I couldn't find red, so I'm just gonna use this, and this is 23, and it's Mon Amour. And we're gonna use that for the pink or the red part of the strawberry, and then we're gonna use black to put some. Wait, is it white or is it black? No, it's black, right?
What?
The things on strawberries, seeds on strawberries.
White.
It's white?
Yeah.
No, it's black. In real life, not in this picture.
Yeah, it's black.
Yeah, it's black. Anyway, so I was actually not planning to do this, but since I did it, let's get to it anyway. It's gonna be very easy. So after you put this on, I put like 2 coats, like, you know, just like 2 of this. And after this, we're gonna get this pink thing. And here's what I'm gonna do. I don't know how I'm gonna show you that. So you see it, right? Okay, we're just gonna take this. You can choose a red color, that would be better, but here's what we're gonna do basically. We're just gonna leave a little bit of that. Yeah. As you can see, oh my god, it looks so much better than I expected it to. And yeah, you're just gonna do the same thing for all your nails basically. You don't even need to do the second coat if it looks good enough. I mean, I think this is pretty much fine. Yeah. Oh my god, I really like it actually. It looks so cute. Oh yeah. This one was a little bit broken, but it's alright. As you can see, I never did a video like this before. I don't know, I like it. Look, this is how it looks like. It's pretty easy too. I mean, you don't need anything else, just okay, so putting it like this might be easier to do. Oh, alright. Okay, so now that you do that, oh, by the way, one thing I do to get these parts is use this, because why not, right? And after you do all of that, yeah, okay, they all look fine. I'm just gonna wait, obviously, and then we're gonna put the black parts on them. And I also need to do this one, so let's do this one now. Okay, I'm hoping this angle is not too bad. So obviously, everyone has one, I mean, most people, at least, have one hand that they can do better, and the other one is a little bit hard. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please let me know so that I can make more videos like this. You know, I make many different kinds of videos, just whatever I feel like doing, really. And I like to have a conversation as if we were having a conversation, and as if I was not crazy and talking to myself. I mean, how else can you be a YouTuber anyway? Okay, so as you can see, it's almost done. I know it's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be, you know? Oh no! Did you see that? As I just said, it doesn't have to be perfect. So let's get this finished, and then we're gonna wait for it to dry. It's probably gonna dry pretty much fast, because it's just one coat on top of another coat that usually dries up faster, I think. Yeah. By the way, my boyfriend's just hanging out. I mean, we're both hanging out doing our own thing. So last one, a little bit tricky. Oh god. Oh god, no. There's nail polish on the table. Let's act like we didn't see that. Okay. You know what? Maybe it looks cuter like that, right? Or maybe we can do it a little... Okay, fine. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Also, I have to clean the table afterwards, so... okay, don't mind that. So, this is what I have right now. As I said, it doesn't look perfect, but I think it looks pretty cute, like, to be honest. I'm just gonna put, like, little black dots on them. I don't know how else to show it. Okay, I also need to clean the table, but, okay. So we're just gonna wait for it to dry. Yeah, and then I showed them to my I showed them to my boyfriend. He was like, wait, you have to fix this one. So I'm just gonna fix that one. Okay, but as I was fixing it, something else happened. So obviously, you should be a little bit more careful than I am. Oh my god, I need some... Babe, can you help me, babe? Okay, so one thing about me is I'm usually not very good at putting on nail polish. Not because I'm not good at putting it on, but because I'm bad at keeping it. Oh my god, it looks so funny. Whatever. I'm so bad at like keeping it on because I just can't sit still and do nothing. Like the second I put it on, I have to do something. So it's almost done. Oh my god, why is my hand like that? It's almost done. So now that we have the black one, my favorite color, oh my god, I don't know the English of this, you know, matches, like, and then you light a fire. Yeah, you just like kind of like matches. I don't know what else you can use. There's also like, I had this literally thing that you use for putting on nail polish and like drawing and whatever. That will make so much more sense. But if you don't have anything like that, you can just take like a match or something, or something like this, and then you can just, you know, use it like that. So it's almost dry. It's not 100% dry. Don't be like me, like actually wait for it to dry. I'm a little bit impatient, but anyway. Okay. So obviously I'm gonna start with my left hand because it's easier to do with the right one. So what I do is I put this on and I get like a little bit of this. And that's how I do it. And then, oh wait, can you see? Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put like little dots on this, but you have to make sure the corner has enough nail polish, otherwise it's not gonna look the way you want it to look. You don't want to like destroy the nail polish. You just want to make little dots. So yeah, we're just gonna make them all around. Okay, a little bit more of this. Let's do on the last one. Ow. That wasn't very nice. So this is what this looks like. I'm gonna do it to the other hand as well. Okay, so they're done. This is what they look like. They also look like watermelon a little bit, I guess. As I said, I might not have done them very perfectly, but I think they look cute, so... And it's a lot easier to do it this way than the other way. But, I mean, just do it however you want. And I hope you enjoyed this little episode of Jane's Play World. And I hope to see you later. Bye!